Hi guys, welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I prepare this strawberry cake. Pretty easy to make, so yummy and soft. If today is your first time of watching my video, click the subscribe button, click on the notification bell and click on all notifications to be getting alert of my new video, so that any day I post new video you will get an alert. Our target is to reach more than 50,000 subscribers in this year, so help us to achieve this goal by subscribing. Invite your friends and family to this channel. To my old subscribers, you're welcome back again. Don't forget to like this video, feel free to ask questions and feel free to comment. Let's start. Our ingredients for today: 1 kg of butter, 1 kg of flour, 700 grams of sugar, 2 tablespoons of strawberry flavor, 4 cups of condensed milk flavor, baking powder 2 tablespoons, egg 20 pieces, and I'll be using food color. You can use liquid, you can use powder, a little pink food color or red food color to have that strawberry color. Use a big bowl, add in your butter or margarine, cream a little, and you add sugar to it. Take your time to cream till the mixture is looking pale. Wash your eggs and break one after the other. If you know the reason why I'm doing this, I'm breaking my eggs one after the other, put in my comment section. Whisk your egg a little and add other liquid ingredients. Add in your strawberry flavor. Add in your condensed milk flavor, 4 cups. You add in your food color. You can use liquid food color. You can also use powdered, but I'm using powdered color today. Either red color or pink color, just a little. You can see how pale our batter is looking. It's ready. Sieve your flour Add in 2 tablespoons of baking powder to it and you sieve everything. Mix together. It's time to mix. A little of dry ingredients, a little of wet ingredients, liquid ingredients, and you mix. Grease your pan with butter and dust with flour. Our batter is ready. Tap your cake pan on the table to close up air bubbles. Straight to the oven. Bake for up to 30 minutes before you start checking your cake. After 45 minutes, my cake is ready. You can see how yummy they are looking. Okay, I need to allow it to cool off. You can see how neat everything came out. So beautiful. Yummy, looking so beautiful and soft. You don't have to mix this cake decoration coming soon. That is why you have to subscribe. If today is your first time of watching my video, click the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, click on all notifications to join this progressive family so that any day I post any new video, you will get an alert. Subscription is free for everybody. You don't have to mix out in our new recipes coming soon, our cake decoration and many more. You don't have to miss out. This channel is loaded for you with your cake, pastries, small chops, food and so many things you will love. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like,